Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language on the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle game on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, you can start your match right away. Now, if you wish to change the in-game language, then you will need to go into the menu option, which is just alongside the start button. Once the menu option is opened up, go into the second to last option, which is the language and voice settings. Then from this menu, you can choose your desired text language from the top section. Just tap on your preferred language and you will be told that the language will be applied only after you restart the game. You can tap on the OK button, and in order to apply the language change, you will need to close the game and then reopen it. As soon as you do so, the new language will be applied to your game. And if you wish to switch it once again in the future, from the homepage, tap on the menu icon next to the start button, and then from the second to last option, you can once again choose your desired language. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.